So in the UK, we have dietary guidelines that tell us what we should be eating, and virtually nobody is actually eating according to those guidelines.
I suddenly felt I've been treating patients for diseases because that's what I've been, taught to do. We're taught how to recognize diseases, and once you've recognized them, you treat them. But at no point do you think, oh my God, why is this thing coming up in the first place?
There's even a study from 2014 that was published by Kaiser Permanente, which encouraged physicians to have their patients go fully plant-based because the benefits were numerous.
If you have a predominantly plant-based diet, you can actually prevent a lot of what we call lifestyle diseases.
So there are huge problems at the moment with the nitrogen cycle where it's really out of balance. And that's going to be quite difficult to fix.
We need to stop this vicious circle, killing billions of animals, making money, because it's all about money. It's not about people, it's not about animals, it's not about the planet. Those people think about making money. And that is dangerous because that destroys us.